Okay, so CSS custom data. This setting used to be CSS experimental custom data. Now it's just custom data. Actually, if you write experimental, you'll see that this setting is no longer, there's a typo there, experimental. Use CSS custom data instead. So it works as just like before, and it's not experimental anymore. And what does it do? It's basically a list of custom CSS properties that you can insert here. So a list of relative file paths pointing to JSON files following the custom data format. VS Code loads custom data on startup to enhance its CSS support for the custom CSS properties, add directives, pseudo classes, pseudo elements you specify in the JSON files. So this is how that works. So you can specify JSON files that have a list of custom CSS properties, add directives, pseudo classes, and pseudo elements. And CSS by default lints. VS Code by default lints your CSS. So if for some reason you have, two things can happen. Either VS Code doesn't know about a property or a directive that it should, or you're using something that's out of the ordinary. And if you don't want VS Code to complain about that, you just add it as a custom property or a directive or whatever it is. I'm going to remove this.